So here we have the AirPod Atom 81. So let's review it. So here I got the warranty card, along with it the go through list how you can use it, and along with it some sticker for fun fact. And here we have the main product. So basically there is two things in the product case, which is the charging cable and second one is the AirPod case. And here we have, oh, where's the AirPod? Oh, it's actually in my ear. We're trying to do something trickier with you all guys so that there is an excitement in our video.